Just keep your balance first. Seimbang dulu, Arka. Yeah, good. Good. Good.
Oh man.
Oh.
Yeah, I know. I see that.
Oh yeah? Can we put it there? Can you put it there? Put your sepeda first.
Alright.
Taruh sepedanya dulu.
What is that? Wait, hold on. No.
Lihat mama, lihat mama, lihat mama. Apa itu? Itu.
I think it's a bird.
What? Anak burung.
Yeah. We have to save them.
Yeah, we have to save it.
There was a huge storm, and they
Yeah.
fell the tree down. And then there's this place. How many of them? 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 4 of them. Oh, I got it. It's my very old cat.
Nanti dimakan burungnya sama kucing. Tuh yang jatuh tuh pohonnya tuh.
Oh yeah, I know.
Oh.
I think we should. Maybe we should keep them. Maybe we should. Where's the mom? Mom is gone. Maybe we should keep them and then feed them. So. Okay, guys. So now my sister already buy the milk. Let's call it the Balibu. But yeah, it's good for the. Oh. My mom is feeding the birds right now, and oh look, they're so cute. This is actually my first time seeing a baby bird right now. They're so tiny. They're very tiny. They're so small. Little bird.
What we can set them.
So please pray for the birds, and I will see you in the next Ramadan series. Alright, bye.
ألم تر أن الله يسبح له من في السماوات والأرض والطير صافات كل قد علم صلاته وتسبيحه والله عليم